everybody, it's Mindy, and I have a little video for you today to show you some neat things I got from PaintSomeWay. So if you're new here, I hope you enjoy. I hope you find some things you like to watch, and you stick around and hit that subscribe button. And everybody else, thank you for returning and for the support. Let's get to it, and I'll show you what I have. I have some fun stuff here. All right, so let's start with this guy. He's super pretty. So I recently found, and I've said this before, you'll find like one listing that has several options. And there were several hummingbirds in this, and they're all special drills. So I got to be careful. I'm getting ready to do another order, and I might have ordered this one. I got to check and not order it again. That's what I mean. Okay, but if I do order them again, you know, I just put them on my giveaway box. So it benefits you. But how pretty is that? We got these purple flowers over here. Look at all the big special drills, 9s and 8s, and the rest will be rhinestones. 9 different drills on that one. I think it's going to be super pretty. This is what the little toolkit looks like that comes with all of them. Thank you, PaintSomeWay. As you've realized, I get mostly special drill stuff now from Budget Friendly. Every once in a while, I throw in a full drill, you know, just for funsies. All right, let's look at these. What do we have? Oh, beautiful. Let's start with black ABs, which are looking very blue. So my guess is it's going to be the outline, his beak, a little bit more outlining. Look at the pretty purple and a green, a red, a champagne color, a clear, a pink. And here's our special drills. So we got these round purple faceted, all the purple flowers, right? And then round smooth, which are going to go on the red flowers over there. Super pretty. I'm ready. I'm ready, folks, for smashing the specials. Getting ready for that. I'm going to get a bunch of these. I'm going to try to get them flatter because I don't like working on them like that. A lot of them will get ironed just so they're super flat. And then we're ready to go. Gonna get a lot done, I hope. Yeah, get a lot done. This one's super pretty too. I sense a theme here, right? Another hummingbird, right? But that one's super pretty with this black background. And then everything else will just pop off of that. There's quite a few special drills on this one. He's like swooshing. He's got this big long tail swooshing through the air. 13 different drills for that one. Love that one. So let's look at those. Got quite a few things here. The special drills are usually very inexpensive. I mean, these are like $4 or $5 depending. And a lot of them are coming in this 30 by 30 size, which is like 24 or 25 centimeters actually. A lot are coming in that size. So, all right, let's look at what we have. A beautiful pink, an olive green color, a turquoise. Look at that. That one's beautiful. An orange, a purple, a yellowy gold. Oh, and I love these. I love these. I wish all clear rhinestones were these instead. These are AB, and they are so stinking pretty. Can you see how they look pink and blue? And these are gorgeous. They look so good on these paintings. Then we have a blue AB. We have some small marquees. They're AB as well. This is pretty. They're blue, green, purple, right? Pretty. Some blue teardrops. Those are gorgeous. And then we have some of these snowflakes. They're AB as well. Love that. All right. That's going to turn out fantastic. That might be one I have to do for smashing the specials. We'll see. I have so many choices. What am I going to do? What am I going to do? All right. This guy's adorable. She's adorable, right? So there were several of these. There's several. There's one with bees, one with strawberries, one with lavender. There were many different choices for this. So there's only 8 different drills on this one, but look at all the specials. Look at all the 7s. Look at the 8s and the 6s. There's going to be a lot of them. So I'm excited to see that. I like her. She's super cute. I'm not even bothered by the fact that it's a white background. You cut that out, put it on a pretty red paper or something, put it in a frame. It'd be so cute, right? Adorable. All right, what do we get? What do we get? What do we get? All right, so that's like a peachy color. A green rhinestone. Of course, we have red rhinestones. Yellow. And there's clear. So like the last one had that iridescent clear. These are just clear. See the difference? The iridescents are so pretty. All right, then we have these. No AB on this one. They're just a clear marquee. Some white pearls and some red smooth. Love it. So white will go on the flowers, red will go on her hat, right? Love it. Okay. Oh, there's actually some white on the hat too. All right. Okay. Love her. She's adorable. Super, super cute. All right. I got a couple more here. Hopefully I got the correct drills because one fell out. As I was carrying it out here, it fell. Again, there were several butterflies. Okay. And I don't know. I've gotten some butterflies before. I'm going to have to check through when I get ready for Smashing the Specials and make sure I don't have duplicates. 14 different shapes and drills for this one. I mean, look, we got some big, big teardrops, some larger, small teardrops. I mean, there's lots going on here. It's going to be super pretty. Super, super pretty. Love it. Let's show you how pretty it's going to be. I just saw slivers. I'm not too concerned. The slivers just go right here. This flower, this flower, this flower. Those 6 flowers will get the slivers. I like slivers when they're like that. Yep, I can handle that. I still wish they would just throw a flower in there, but you know. Okay, here we go. Boy, this one's got a longer strip here, 14. All right, regular black, a brown, a gray, like a smoky gray color, a green. That's an interesting green. It's not like leaf green. It's not lime green. That's an interesting green. I like it. Clear, pink, purple. Oh, look what we got. Look what we got. Hold the phone. Look at those. They're the peacock feathers. Love that. This butterfly's going to have peacock eyes on his wings. There's the big gold ones, faceted. There's a bunch of teardrops. They are AB, clear. These are AB as well, the round ones, all faceted. Then we have some gold. We have some pearls. And then here's our little bit of slivers. Like I said, it's only 6 flowers. I can handle that. I don't want to do a whole field of flowers in those, but I don't mind doing 6 flowers. All right, I got one more. One more. And you guys, you'll understand when you see this, right? You'll know why I got this one. Right. Love my puppies. Yes, love my puppies. My one puppy last night wasn't feeling very good. Sure, her belly was all grumbling and oh my gosh, she wasn't feeling good. She's feeling fine today, but man. Look at all the 5s all over the letters, right? So I'm assuming we're going to get several dark colors of rhinestones for the dogs. That looks like my Tifa and Toffee. Kind of. Kind of. All right. Come on, package, work with me here. All right, here we go. Oh, there's something fun in here. Wow, okay. Let's look at our rhinestones. So that is just like a dark brown and then a dark orange. So this dog's gonna be this color, the orangey color. We got some green for our leaves and we got some peachy color. Okay, so the peach color is going to go, where is the peach color going to go? The dogs are 1 and 2. That's all they are, is 1 and 2. So they're this color and this color. Okay. All right, ready for the fun? Here's the gold that goes on all the lettering. That's a lot of gold balls, half balls. But look at this. This is what I'm talking about. We got a broken one in there, but look at the flowers. Why don't we just use flowers instead of slivers, right? Because there's so many pretty flowers now. Look at those. Those are gorgeous. They're going to go on all these little flowers. Love it. I love that one. I love, love, love it. Okay, so that is what I got from PaintSomeWay. Thank you, PaintSomeWay. You know you're going to see this one again. I've just got so many. How am I going to decide? And these take some time. I mean, depending on how many drills there are on each one, they do take some time to complete them. If we have, how many days in August? 30? 31? No, July has 31, August has 30. Yeah, if I did, I don't think I can finish one a day even. I don't, honestly. But anyhow, tell me which ones you like. Tell me what you would do first, okay? Maybe I should do that. Go back to my videos and pick one from each video that I should do. If you're that ambitious. No, you don't have to do that. Anyhow, there you go. That's what I got from PaintSomeWay. They're all really nice. I like every single one of them a lot. Oh, so many. So many. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. And I hope you have a great day. And I will be talking to you soon. Bye, everyone.